Hello everyone, greetings from Kalpana Eye Care Hospital, Chennai. I am Dr. Kalpana Suresh, Chief Ophthalmic Surgeon speaking. Today I am going to tell you about eye growth, that is pterygium. What is pterygium? It's a growth of the conjunctiva or the mucous membrane that covers the white part of your eye over the cornea. The cornea is the front clear surface covering the eye. It is pinkish and triangular in shape. It starts from the inner corner of the eye and grows towards the center. Some grow slowly throughout a person's life, while others may eventually stop. In extreme cases, it can affect vision by covering the center of the eye or by changing the shape of cornea. What are the causes? The exact cause is unknown. The main risk factor is high exposure to UV rays in the sunlight, also sand, dust, smoke and wind. It is more common in people who live in warm climates and spend a lot of time outdoors in sunny or windy environments. To reduce your risk, you should wear sunglasses or hats in areas with direct sunlight. What are the symptoms of pterygium? Usually there are no symptoms. It is just a cosmetic disfigurement. Some may have redness, blurred vision and eye irritation. If a pterygium grows large enough to cover your cornea, it can interfere with your vision. You also feel like you have some foreign object in your eye. You might not be able to continue wearing your contact lens when you have a pterygium. What is the treatment? There is no eye drops that can cure this. Surgery is the only option. If it is small, white, stationary, not growing, with no symptoms, it does not require surgery. Surgery is recommended if it grows rapidly, becomes red, thick and fleshy, covering the black part of the eye, affecting the vision, or there is repeated redness, irritation or pain in that growth. Surgery is usually done under local anesthesia. The growth is removed and a conjunctival graft is skillfully taken from the patient's own eye. It is then pasted with a special glue onto the bare area where pterygium had been removed. No stitches are applied. This procedure is called conjunctival autograft. If we just remove the tissue alone, it will regrow. It is a daycare surgery. Within 2 hours, patient can go home. Eye drops need to be applied for 6 weeks. Patient should refrain from head bath and face wash for 10 days after surgery. Remember, pterygium removal surgery is not done to improve vision. It can only prevent the vision loss that would result if the pterygium covers the center of the pupil. After surgery, you must limit your exposure to UV rays in the sunlight, also exposure to sand, dust and wind. Wear appropriate UV blocking protective glasses. Reduce your outdoor activities. Most important point is it is not a cancer. It is a benign growth, so don't get scared. I have uploaded the link for my videos how to apply eye drops in the description box below. Hope this information on pterygium or eye growth is useful to you all. If you have any questions, please post them in the comment box. I would be happy to answer. To watch more educative videos like this, kindly subscribe to Kalpana Eye Care YouTube channel. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.